Now we are going to see the experiment R2R ladder DAC. R2R ladder DAC is a digital to analog converter which uses R2R ladder network in order to convert the digital input into equivalent analog signal. The diagram here shows the R2R ladder network which is given as an input for the operational amplifier, and at the V0 we will get the analog converted output. V reference is the reference voltage through which we can give the analog input value. If the switch is connected to the V reference, then it takes the value 1. If the switch is connected to the ground, then it takes the digital value 0. In this way, we can assign the digital input for the R2R ladder network, and this according to the zeros and ones assigned, the R2R ladder network will be minimized, and the equivalent voltage as well as resistance are computed using the V Thevenin and R Thevenin, and the final input for the operational amplifier will be obtained. Our aim of the experiment is to design R2R ladder using operational amplifier and study the characteristics. The component request is PC with the Multisim software installed. Theory of the operational amplifier using R2R resistance ladder network. This is a simple digital voltage signal to the analog output converter, and the analog voltages are given to the ladder network at various points along the R2R ladder network. For better resolution, number of R2R ladder connections should be increased. The output signal as a result of these all input point is taken from the end of the ladder network, which drives the inverting input of the operational amplifier. See, this diagram shows R2R ladder network, and see, this is R2R, R2R, R2R. Similarly, we can include number of R2R network, so that we can increase the bit in the analog input. This output is given to the operational amplifier, and this analog signal is converted to the digital signal. The digital signal at the R2R ladder is converted into the analog signal, and we obtain the output at the operational amplifier. See, this is the circuit diagram for the R2R digital to analog converter. Here 3 R2R network is used: R2R, R2R, R2R. This is a simple 2R which is in the output side. It should be always grounded. These 3 R2R network combined, and along with this network it provides a 4 digital input signal, and it provides the analog output signal at this node. This R2R network is output is computed, and which will drive the operational amplifier circuit at the inverting terminal, and the non-inverting terminal is grounded. The digital logic circuit which is used for to drive the digital to analog converter is generated by means of either combinational circuit or sequential circuit. Here we can use any kind of the digital to analog circuit such as counter, data register, sequential or combinational circuit. By varying the switch position along VA, VB, VC and VD, connecting this to either reference voltage or ground, we can set the value as 1 or 0. Therefore, we can give 4-bit digital input at this R2R ladder and get the analog output V out at this point. If we want to further increase the number of bit to which we give for converting the digital to analog input, then there will be more precise output in the analog terminal. There are many popular DACs available. Near 8-bit DAC 0808. Interfacing this R2R DAC network converter of n bit will depends on various application. Based upon the application, we increase the number of digital input signal we will give this to this RDR network, and it will provide the corresponding output at the operational amplifier V out pin, that is 6th pin of the operational amplifier. This is the circuit diagram of the R2R ladder network. Here we are using 4 digital input 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is given through the switch S1, S2, S3 and S4, where S1 can be connected to either 0 or V reference, and S2 can be connected to either 0 or V reference, S3 can be connected to either 0 or V reference, and S4 can be connected to either 0 or V reference. Here the reference voltage is taken as a 5 volt, and the 0, in order to give 0 as a digital input, we should connect the corresponding switch to the ground position. If we want to give 1 as a digital input, then we have to give corresponding switch position to the V reference, that is 5 volt. Okay, this is an R to R network. R is 10 kilo ohm and 2R is 20 kilo ohm. R is 10 kilo ohm and 2R is 20 kilo ohm. R is 10 kilo ohm and 2R is 20 kilo ohm. In this manner, we have chosen this R to R network resistance value as 10 kilo ohm and 20 kilo ohm, and this is given to the positive terminal of the operational amplifier, and the feedback is given at the output terminal. Is given as an input terminal. We are going to take the output at the 6th pin of the operational amplifier. This is the formula for calculating the equivalent analog output value for n-bit R2R ladder DAC network. Here the formula we have used is V reference into B0 divided by 2n plus etc. up to how many bits we are using in the R2R ladder network. At the last bit we have to, up to last bit we have to take B0 by 2 power n plus B1 divided by 2 power n minus 1 plus B2 divided by 2 power n minus 2. For example, if we are using a 3 bit, then we have to take B0 divided by 2 power 3, that is 8, B0 by 8 plus B1 divided by 2 power 2, 4 plus B1 by 4 plus B2 divided by 2 power 3 minus 2, 1, that is B2 divided by 2. Therefore, for the 3 bit, we can take the formula as V reference into B0 by 8 plus B1 divided by 4 plus B2 divided by 2. B0, B1 and B2 are the values of the digital bit. It may be either 0 or 1. Similarly, we can compute the value of the equivalent analog value for each digital value. See, here we have taken 3 input as 1 0 0. Okay, since B2 now we are going to see the how the digital inputs are given to the network B0, B1 and B2. B2 is given the value 1 and B1 and B0 is given the value 0. Since B2 is the 1, B2 is the last bit, therefore we have to take it as V reference divided by, for B2 we have to take V reference divided by 2 power 3, and for B1 V reference divided by 2 power 2, 2 power 2, and for B2 we have to take V reference divided by 2 power 1, that is V reference divided by 2 power 1 is 2. Therefore, we get the value of V reference divided by 2. Since this is the only bit which has 1, so that 1 into V reference by 2 will be taken as an output. For this input, B1 is the 1. Therefore, we have to take V reference divided by 2 power 2. That is V reference divided by 4. For this, this bit is only 1. This is the bit. This is the bit lower order bit. Therefore, it should have take the value V reference divided by 2 power n. Here 2 power 3 bit. So we have V reference divided by 8. Suppose all the 3 pins are 1 means, then all the 3 positions should be added. Therefore, we can add V reference by 2 plus V reference by 4. Plus V reference by 8 and combine together and take value as 7 V reference by 8. If we give this input voltage making the 3 switch position 1, then we will get the corresponding output as 7 V reference divided by 8. If we take V reference as a 5, Then 7 into 5 divided by 8 will. This is the graph for the DAC timer network. 000 is the corresponding input, digital input. Then we get the output value as 0. 001, that is the one LSB bit is set 1, so that the output may be a 0.25. For 0010 it may be a 0.5. For 0011 it may be 1. Similarly, we can divide the 0 to 5 volt into this much number of equivalent analog value by giving this much input of digital value. We can convert 0 to 5 volt in the digital into an analog into this much minute values by taking it as a 4 bit. If you want to furthermore subdivide this analog into a many equivalent smallest value, we can increase the number of bits by increasing the R2R ladder. Now we are going to see the output of this experiment R2R ladder. This is the schematic diagram of the R2R ladder network. See, here we are having 4 switch connection, that is 4 bit input. Therefore, we get 4 different voltage levels and the output voltage level. Okay, S1, S2, S3 and S4, 4 input. This 4 input, by varying this 4 input, we can get the equivalent analog value. Here the switch S2 is set value 1, S1, S3 and S4 is set to the value of 0. Here the reference voltage we have taken it as a 20 volt. Therefore, this 20 volt is divided into divided by means of this 4 switch as a digital input, and the corresponding analog output will be obtained at this pin, that is the operational amplifier output pin, that is 6th pin. Now we are going to see the graph. This is the graph output for the this is the graphical output for this R2R ladder network. This is the first R2R ladder voltage output. This is the second R2R water output. This is the third R2R ladder output. This is the final output. In this way, we can divide the the analog value by means of a digital input, and we can divide into different analog output values, and we can take the different analog values by using the arch order network. In this way, by giving the value of a digital input at 4 bit, we can obtain the analog output value. This gray color line indicates the final analog output value, and this light blue, dark blue and green color indicates the input value which we obtain, which is given to through each R2R network to the operational amplifier output after giving the digital input value. Now I am going to simulate this in real time using Multisim Live. See how the output as well as the voltages vary. Now suppose I have given the switch position